Yesterday could not have gone any better for Shiba Inu. We did some great things in terms of the charts, saw some great things on a fundamental level. I want to talk about that with you guys, but I also want to discuss a chart that we referenced a few days back and show you guys how close we in fact are to potentially this next move for SHIB. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So after we were red for most of yesterday and things were looking pretty grim and just kind of blah, we did in fact flip green at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon or so Central Standard Time. We finished with this massive bullish candle, guys. This is a hammer candle. It's a bullish reversal candle. And this did a few things here. First of all, it actually confirmed us above this trend that we were talking about, right? We came back down. We closed our prior daily candle right on top of that trend, and we finished very much separated from this yesterday. What we also did is close our daily candle above that 20-day moving average, again, showing a lot of resilience around there. Good conviction from holders, and I'll get to that more here in just a moment. We're trying to obviously make our way to start the day. Right now, it's only about 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, so we'll see where we're at as things progress for the day. But did want to show you guys as well as we did start flipping around on that daily cigar as like we're doing in most charts around the space. So now we might actually be on the verge of a little bit of a bullish push here. Last time we had this bullish flip take place was all the way back here in the later part of June. And we know that we went on a nice rally in terms of SHIB, right? In fact, what I find very interesting is we're still doing kind of what we did back here in April, where we had this, nice rally, nice breakout of our ascending wedge, kind of created this descending wedge here before our next extension. Kind of looks the same, right? Just wanted to throw that out there. Looks like that's exactly what we're trying to do here, is create this next extension. Okay, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that, but we're seeing altcoin dominance still continue to make steps forward. BTC dominance has had 2 green days in the last 2 weeks. Okay, that is a great sign for altcoins. Not a lot of capital rotating back to stables. Just take a look at this. We're hanging down in this like 4.1 to 4.25% dominance for USDT. That's exactly where we want to be. Optics remain high outside the space. ETH is doing well. I mean, these are the signs that we might be on the verge of another little extension here. Did want to show you guys as well. Haven't been doing a whole lot in terms of exchange supply. Still just kind of building that little cup like we were talking about that we've done several times before. Right? We did this back here in February into March of 2024. Did this again here in November. All these things led us to another extension in terms of price, right? Another whale day of adding 43 billion SHIB. It's kind of a small day, but still positive nonetheless. And I wanted to show you guys as well as what we're seeing in terms of profit takers or sellers in the space. It's still just the short-term people. Couple months here, 5 months there, 1 month there, right? So the long-term resilience, the long-term conviction still remains. Now, what I did want to look back at is this SHIB ETH chart that we were looking at a few days back. And you guys can see we are incredibly close to this tap that we have done 2 times before, both of which led us on these sizable rallies. Are we about to see that again? Potentially. Again, like I've talked about, we've had very thin levels of liquidity for SHIB. We're making our way through some of the thickest holder concentrations, not thickest liquidity, thickest holder concentrations where a huge majority of Shiba Inu holders actually bought at. And we're once again at about 45% of holders either at or in the money. So on a fundamental level, I mean, we're looking great for SHIB, for the markets in general. Again, understand that we are now into the weekend. It's lower volume. Not incredibly low, still about $160 billion or so on the daily, but just be aware of that. We still need to make some moves. SHIB right now, number 19 overall, $237 million in trading volume over the last 24 hours. Kind of low once again. Things are quieting down in the space, but I will say we're pushing against some resistance right now that, as we've hit our head on this several times before, it's just lessening and lessening and lessening, because the people that have been accumulating here, they're people that are building their positions for the long term. Not everybody, but most people. And I think people are coming to the understanding that, hey, like I talked about, time is running out. It's time to get our assets. That's what the mindset is. And guess what? Those people, they hold, they don't unload right here. Maybe they will, maybe they won't, but they tend to unload much higher. So that's kind of where we're at. we'll see what happens. We got to watch and wait and see how the weekend progresses. But yeah, we're looking pretty good in the space right now. Will say, just wanted to let you guys know, if you didn't catch my ADA video, still have my SHIB long open. It's up 165%. XRP long is up 84%. My ADA long is still up massive, 516% or so. And again, if you guys want to check out BTCC or Margex and trade on leverage, there are links in the description below. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. Understand that there is risk that comes with leverage. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.